Hello friends, today I am making a silky creamy tomato bisque with a secret twist, jasmine rice. Stay with me and I'll show you how to make this restaurant style tomato bisque right at home. Let's begin. This is the list of things you'll really need to make it. You will need 5 Roma tomatoes, 1 carrot, 3 garlic cloves, 4 mushrooms, 1 medium size onion, 1 tablespoon of washed jasmine rice. You can also use canned tomatoes if you wish. First things first, wash all the veggies, pound the garlic, mince it very fine. Chop the onion, no need to be very precise and fine. Roughly chop all the tomatoes. Don't overthink their shape because they are going to go in the blender anyway. Chop all the mushrooms. No need to remove the stems. Stem brings extra flavor in the soup. Roughly chop the carrot sticks. Again, no need to be very precise. All of them are going to go in the blender. All the vegetables are neatly chopped and kept aside. In a large stainless steel pan, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil starts shimmering, toss in the minced garlic. Stir the garlic and don't let it burn because burnt garlic can give a bitter taste in the soup, which I don't recommend. Toss in the chopped onions. Stir everything together. Let onions turn a little translucent. Add chopped mushrooms. Saute everything together. Don't let anything burn. Add a little salt. This helps mushrooms and garlic and onion to release water. This is when the mushroom gives away the umami flavor, which is so important for this soup. Mushrooms give away the meaty flavor in the soup without adding meat. Now add carrots. Stir a bit. Now add all the chopped tomatoes. Stir everything together, scraping from the bottom so that not a single burnt part is left. Squeeze half of the lime. It's about 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Mix everything together. This is smoked paprika. This smoked paprika is very important for this tomato bisque. It gives that roasted flavor without actually roasting anything. Mix everything, incorporating all the spices and the vegetables together. Now add the washed jasmine rice. This is the secret of this tomato bisque. Rice gives a rich texture without adding too much cream. Add a cup of water. You can add more water later if you want. Mix everything. Cover with the lid and turn the heat to medium and let it simmer. After 15 to 20 minutes, uncover the pot. Stir everything. Veggies should be soft and tender and rice must be about 80% cooked, but not there yet. Add freshly crushed black pepper. Half teaspoon of sugar. You can add just the sugar later. Stir everything, mixing everything together. Keep the heat at medium. Cover the lid and cook for a few more minutes. After 5 minutes, uncover the soup pot and stir everything. Check the rice grain by pressing in between your fingers. If it squishes easily but isn't mush, you are good. That means the starch has released. It's ready to make our bisque silky and smooth. Let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it looks very smooth and everything is assimilated properly. Now it's time to transform chunky chaos into smooth luxury. Carefully transfer to a blender in batches. Blend until you have got a velvety thick soup. This is the magic moment. You'll see how jasmine rice has created this silky consistency. No thickener required. Pour the soup back into the pot. Look at the thick, creamy, silky and smooth tomato bisque. It looks tempting even before it's ready. Don't forget to rinse your blender jar with a splash of water and add it too, because flavor waste is a crime in this kitchen. turn the heat back to medium and let it gently simmer. Now for the finishing touch, add 1/4 cup of cream. Stir constantly as you add it, or it might curdle very quickly and get burnt at the bottom. Keep stirring until it blends into the soup like silk. It's time to taste your bisque. Add just salt, black pepper, maybe half a teaspoon of sugar to balance the acidity. This is your chance to play soup DJ. Balance the highs and lows until it's perfectly tuned. For me, I needed to add half teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Stir everything together. Let it simmer for just one more time, few bubbles, and then turn off the heat. It's done. Ladle that silky bisque into a bowl. Swirl a little cream on top. Maybe few more swirls for extra creamy and richness. And finish with fresh basil. Eat it straight with a spoon in your favorite pajamas. No judgment here. It's creamy, tangy, lightly smoky with just enough mushroom umami to fool even the biggest meat lovers. Or serve it with a rustic bread. Trust me, this soup is worth bragging about. That's it, a silky, creamy tomato bisque with jasmine rice. So good, my family asks for it every single week. Try this recipe and let me know if your family also liked it. That's it. Until next time, stir with soul.